Hello, today I'll show you how to create a masterpiece. As a first step, let's visit the Leonardo AI website. Click on the real-time canvas in the menus on the right, which is the latest update. Sharing this experience with you is a first for me, so we'll explore it together. At first glance, the screen is divided into two parts. On the left, there's a spacious area where you can draw freely. On the right, you can see your canvas taking shape according to your preferences. Let's make a few attempts and examine the results together. Below, you can input your text and witness how it shapes up. Truly a magnificent experience. I envisioned a river flowing from the edge of a cliff and a castle perched atop a hill. The resulting image is genuinely impressive. This experience continues to leave me in awe every day. Now, let's embark on this artistic journey together. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. Let's keep exploring creative artificial intelligence tools together.